Hey friends, very good morning. Welcome to another most interesting video of FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn how to add to winning positions. Now on to the fun stuff. If you catch a great trending move, scaling into it is a great trade adjustment to increase your max profit. There are rules to follow to safely add to open positions. Let's go over those rules. Rules to safely add to winning positions. Number 1. Predetermine levels entry for additional units. Number 2. Calculate your risk with the additional units added. Number 3. Trail stop loss to keep growing position within comfortable risk parameters. Trade example. To explain the strategy a little better, let's go through a simple trade example, shall we? We have Tom, the trend trader, closely watching Euro USD, and after a bit of consolidation, he thinks traders will push the pair higher, which leads him to plan 2 on buying some euros against the US dollar at 1.2700. First, he sees that recent consolidation never really traded below 1.2650, so he decides his stop will be below that level at 1.2600. Tom also thinks that because it is a psychologically significant resistance level, 1.3000 would be a great level to take profits because a rally may stall there. With a 100 pip stop and a 300 pip profit target, his risk to reward ratio is 1:3. Pretty awesome, right? He usually only risks 2% of his account per trade, but this time he is really confident with this trade, and with the great risk to reward ratio, he decides he will add more if the market moves in his favor. He decides that he will add more units every 100 pips and trail his top 100 pips. Because he plans on adding more units, he decides to start with an initial risk of 1%. With a starting account balance of $10,000, Tom's initial risk will be $100, that is $10,000 into 0.01. With a 100 pip stop and $100 risk, he has determined his initial position size to be 10,000 units. He will add 10,000 units every 100 pips and trail his stop every 100 pips. Let's take a step-by-step look at the change in risk to reward with each addition. This simplified example shows the basic technique of how to safely add to winning positions and how effective it can be in maximizing your profits. Now, before you go pressing up every winning position you have to be aware that adding to winning positions may not be the best tool for every market environment or situation. In general, scaling into winning positions is best suited for trending markets or strong intraday moves. Because you are adding to a position as it goes your way, your average opening price moves in the direction of the move as well. What this means is that if the market pulls back against you after you have added, it does not have to move as far to get your trade into negative territory. Also, you should know that scaling into winning positions in range-bound markets or periods of low liquidity leaves you open to being stopped out often. Lastly, by adding to your position, you are also using up any available margin. This eats up into free margin that can be used for other trades. You have been warned. That's all for today. Let's catch up in another interesting video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.